How to import the theme in Google Slide. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can import a theme in Google Slide. So how do you do so? First of all, open up a Google Slide, select the Google Slide presentation that you would like to import a theme into. So for me, this is my Google Slide, and once you can see this, next step is move to the top part of the screen. At the left side, you will see title of your presentation. Just below that, you'll see options like file, edit, view, insert, format, etc. Then move to the bottom part where besides the text formatting options, you'll see the options like background, layout, theme, transition. So go ahead and click on theme. Then by the right side, the theme would be displayed. Then scroll down by the right side, the bottom right corner, also you can see the import theme button and just click on that. So after clicking on it, a box will be displayed asking you to select where you would like to import your theme from. Alright, so we have options like you can upload from your computer if you have a theme on your computer already. You can upload from your Google Drive. Perhaps you've added some themes to your Google Drive and you would like to import it into the presentation, or you have some themes that have been shared with you. You can also import it into presentation. So for computer, once you click on upload and you click on browse, your computer files will be displayed. So it's left for you to go ahead and select the theme where you've saved it. They click on open, and once they click on open, the theme will be imported into the presentation and into alter everything. Alright, so that is how you can do it. It's very simple. And I'm sure this video has helped you. So ensure you leave a thumbs up and you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.